Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Sklaxis, and today I'm going to show you how to harvest wood, metal or stone to complete your challenges faster. Now if we take a look in our map challenges, we can see for XP Extravaganza week 3 challenges, we have to collect wood, stone or metal. I'm now going to show you how you can collect this faster using a little glitch. But before we go there, please take some time to subscribe to our channel. It only takes a second. Just click the subscribe button at the bottom of your screen for a chance to win a free skin. That's right, I'm giving away a free skin to one of my first 100 subscribers. We are a new channel, so please support us if you can. At Sklaxis, we try and bring you the latest news, glitches and how to do things in Fortnite to engage with the Fortnite community. If we go to the item shop, let's take a look at what's available. You could win one of these skins. Just subscribe, leave your game tag and what skin you would like, and that's it. As simple as that. So in the item shop at the moment, we have Caster the Wandering Warlock of Wailing Woods, part of the Arcane set. He comes with 4 different styles. I like the ice one as it will suit the snow that we should be getting in season 5. We also have Elmira, also part of the Arcane set and comes with 4 different styles as well. Bronto, part of the Dino Guard set. This is definitely one of my kids' favourites. I love the colour and it's so cool. Crystal, introduced in season 10. Mezmar, part of the Sun Soldier set. He looks kinda gangster. You definitely don't want to be messing with him. He also has a couple of styles you can change. Sunbird, she's kinda cool, love the colours. Just subscribe and leave a comment about which character you would like, and when I get to 100 subscribers, I'll give the skin to one of the first 100 subscribers. Thanks guys. Now that we have landed around the swamps where it's a bit quiet so I can show you how this works, let's quickly collect some material first. As you can see, I have 72 wood in my inventory and I am about to pick up 30 from the chest. Now if we check how much wood I need to collect for week 3 challenge, you can see that I have collected 461 out of 1000. If I just pick up the wood from the chest at the moment, I will only be picking up 30 wood. But if I drop the wood from my inventory and then pick them up again, together with the wood from the chest, I will not just be picking up 30 from the chest, I will be picking up my inventory material also, and this gets logged as part of the challenge. My challenge total now goes up to 563. And that's how to pick up more material. I hope this helps guys. Sklaxis, part of the Bone Brigade. Very cool skin, love the costume. Wouldn't want to meet this guy in the dark alleyway. Not sure about the tongue sticking out. Swamp Stalker, first introduced in season 10. Hangtime bundle. It comes with 2 skins, Clutch and Grind, each with 4 different styles. That's an absolute bargain for 1,800 V-Bucks. They both look so good. Black Widow snowsuit. This one is so nice. She definitely looks the business. Cuddle pool, part of the Deadpool set. Looks so good, definitely a must have if you like the Cuddle team leader. Raven pool, if you want to creep everyone out in Battle Royale, you have got to get this. Cable, part of the X-Force set, a fantastic military outfit. Domino, also part of the X-Force set, very chic and classy. Ghost Rider, a new skin just recently introduced and my son Alex absolutely loves this. Silver Surfer, an amazing superhero to have, definitely worth getting. Daredevil, part of the Daredevil set and comes with a couple of styles. Captain America, introduced in season 3 and comes with shield back bling and shield pickaxe. Blade, love the movies and character, and you get 2 styles, comes with sword and sheath back bling. And just to prove it works, let me try and do it again. There it is again. Instead of just picking up 30 wood from the chest, I've picked up a total of 180. That brings my total material collection challenge up to 630 plus 180 equals 810. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to comment and subscribe for a chance to win a new skin from the item shop. Okay, thanks for watching guys. I hope you liked the video and a like is always appreciated. Bye guys.